Hello students, if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing it. Press the like button and share it with your friends. This video is an introduction to the chapter Current Electricity. In nature, charges are basically found inside atoms. You know, all substances are made up of matter, and matter is made up of molecules which are made up of atoms. Inside the atom, there is a centrally placed nucleus comprising of protons and neutrons. Protons are positively charged particles, but they are embedded inside the nucleus and are not free to move about. Electrons, on the other hand, are negatively charged particles which move in fixed orbits round the nucleus. Generally, atoms are electrically neutral. That means the total number of positive charges is equal to the total number of negative charge in an atom. But atoms can give out electrons to become a positive ion, or it can take in electrons to become a negative ion. Protons being embedded inside the nucleus do not take part in ion formation. In certain substances, electrons become free or they come out of atoms even at room temperature. These substances are called conductors. Here the electrons come out and start moving freely inside the substance. They are called free electrons. The movement of these electrons inside conductors form an electric current, and the study of the various characteristics of electric current is current electricity. Substances are basically of three types: insulators, semiconductors, and conductors. In insulators, we see that there is a huge gap between the valence band and the conduction band. So, electrons cannot become free easily and move about inside an insulator. In a semiconductor, the gap is in between, and in conductors, the valence band and the conduction band overlap. So even at room temperature, electrons become conducting and start conducting electric current. In a substance, when electrons are placed in certain fixed orbits, they possess a fixed amount of energy. Then the electron is said to be under the electrostatic attraction of the nucleus and is a bound electron. In conductors, since the gap between valence band and conduction band is negligible, electrons easily acquire the energy of the conduction band and become a free electron. Then these free electrons as we can see in the picture, move about freely inside the substance and are not bound to any particular atom. The atoms, on the other hand, as we can see, have lost electrons and have now become positive ions. So in this lesson, I have told you what is basically an electric current and how it exists in our nature. In the next lesson, we will discuss about current electricity in detail.